Do you have a hard time getting your kids to eat vegetables? Then stay tuned because you're gonna love these Ninja Turtle Muffin recipes. Hey everyone, Erin here with Healthy Mom Happy Family, and today I'm here with some of my favorite kitchen helpers. We have Jimmy over here, Joey down here, and of course Emily over here. And today we're making one of our favorite recipes. What are we making today, guys?
Ninja Turtle Muffin.
Ninja Turtle Muffin recipe, because this is one of my favorite ways. Nope, we're not making that.
We got to take mustache.
One of the things I struggle with these guys is getting them to eat enough vegetables. So if I was just to hand Jimmy over here a carrot, Jimmy, you want a carrot? Joey? 1 out of 2. Hey, not bad, right? But what about spinach? Joey? Oh, well, there you go. He'll do anything for the camera. But typically it's a little hard to get them to eat their vegetables all the time. But when I put them inside a muffin, I have no problem. And that's why we love this Ninja Turtle Muffin recipe. It's fun, it's green, and it tastes delicious, like dessert, but it gets in all of the nutrients that they need. So what I love about this recipe is how simple it is to make. They can even help because it only has 10 ingredients. The main ingredients are carrots and spinach. So you know they're gonna be getting a large amount of vitamin C, a lot of folic acid, and a lot of antioxidants. The things that they're missing out on if they're not eating enough fruits and vegetables alone. So this is how we make it. First thing we're gonna do is in a food processor or even a high-powered blender, we're gonna put in our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add in, who wants to help? We're gonna put the spinach in, okay? Spinach.
I'm gonna eat a carrot.
Okay, give me your spoon.
I eat a carrot.
Yeah, you can have a carrot. All right. Spinach. Then we're gonna put the carrots. Jimmy, would you like a carrot too?
No.
Of course not. All right, Joey, here you go. All right, carrots go in. And then what we're gonna do to sweeten it is 1 medium, slightly ripe banana. So we're gonna peel the banana. Peel the banana. Jimmy, you wanna help put the banana in? Nope. Joe, you want to put in this half of the banana?
Sure.
All right, there you go. All right, and then we are going to put in 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. Now you can use plain yogurt, and if you use plain yogurt, you'll want to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. We have vanilla yogurt, so that replaces the need for added sugar, and we don't have to add any vanilla either. So we just put this in, and that's it. All right, Jimmy, you want to help in the yogurt? You want to help in the yogurt? Yeah. All right, well, here, take your spoon.
Hold on, there's still lettuce on it.
That's spinach. All right, let's.
Oh, whatever. No.
All right, guys, go in.
Oh, it tastes terrible.
All right, good? Okay, here, let me see your spoon, Joe. Let me see your spoon. All right.
Mom, could you wash it off?
Yeah, well, why don't you grab another spoon? Grab another spoon. Another drawer. Okay, thanks. All right, Jimmy, that's the yogurt. You want to lick the spoon? You love that yogurt. What's your favorite yogurt?
No, I'm plain.
Oh, well, it's not plain, it's vanilla.
No. That.
Ah. All right. So once we put these ingredients in, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 egg.
Another one? Another one?
Okay. And then we're just going to blend this up. Okay, so now that we have the liquid ingredients in, we're going to put the top on. And we're gonna get ready to blend it. So I'm gonna blend it because these two don't like the sound of the food processor. And then once it's blended, we're gonna put in our dry ingredients.
I'm gonna blend it.
You ready? All right, so now we have the liquid ingredients all blended up. And what we're gonna add now are the dry ingredients. All right, so now we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna put in 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of baking soda if Joey stops eating it. Right, Joey? Good job. Don't stick your finger in there. No. All right. No, honey. No. Stop. There's raw egg in there. Stop. All right. And then the last thing we're going to put in is 3/4 of a cup of whole grain flour. So for this recipe, you could use oat flour, or we also have whole wheat pastry flour, which is nice and soft. It gives a really nice texture in the muffins. So we're gonna scoop this in as well. That stays for the end. That's the end. All right, so using your spoon, pour this in.
Let me do it.
Do it gentle, okay, so it doesn't don't make it this way. We don't make a mess. There we go. Okay. Okay. All right, and then we're going to blend up the dry ingredients to make the batter. And the last ingredient we will add in, if there's any left, are the chocolate chips. All right, so now we have our delicious muffin batter. The last thing to add in are the chocolate chips. You do a half a cup of the chocolate chips.
We're gonna eat them.
No, they're going in the batter. Take one.
I want to eat them.
We can't eat all of them. They have to go in the batter.
Eat them.
They have to go in the batter. Okay, have a couple. All right, and then the rest go in. I'll give a couple to Joey. Jimmy, the rest go in. Help me pour them in. One more. One more for you. There's not gonna be any left in the recipe. All right, here we go. Pour it in. Good job. All right, so the last thing we do is we're gonna blend those in. Okay. Jimmy, you wanna help hit the button? Because this one, remember, this is the part that just blends a little bit. Just touch it. And we're done, okay? That's how easy it is. All right. So now we have our Ninja Turtle Muffin batter. What we're gonna do is put this into muffin tins that have been greased already, put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes. And once they are done, it's gonna be the fun part is when we decorate them to make them look like Ninja Turtles. So get ready. All right, so just taking any kind of a tablespoon, you can easily scoop out and put it into your lined muffin tin. All right. Joey, come on. Don't you want to help? All right, so now they're ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees, 15 to 18 minutes. And let's see what we have. Look what I have. Look how good those look. These are our Ninja Turtle Muffins. And now we are going to use frosting, or you could use melted white chocolate to make the masks. So all you need is white frosting or white chocolate chips and a little bit of food dye. And you can pick which Ninja Turtle color you want. Jimmy wanted to keep his just white. And then Joey, we have orange for Michelangelo. So you can have fun with it. So here we have candy eyeballs you can pick up from any craft store, and they're delicious. They're just hard candy, and you can use them to decorate the eyeballs on the Ninja Turtles. Yep.
A couple more.
Okay, there you go.
I don't like them.
Yeah, Joey doesn't like those on his Ninja Turtle. Jimmy can't get enough of them, so we'll play around with it. All right, so what I have for the boys, as you can see here, we're just using popsicle sticks. If you have older kids, you could use a butter knife if you want, but you're gonna take the frosting and you're just gonna wipe it across the Ninja Turtle muffin to basically make it look like a mask. So we need a little more here.
You're gonna give me more.
I will get you more, hold on. All right, so we're just doing it like that so you can see that it's making basically the shape of a mask. And then you can take your eyeballs and we can stick.
A couple more.
Yeah, well, hold on. Stick them right here.
A couple more.
And that creates your Ninja Turtle mask. And these are perfect for adding into lunch boxes. You can have them as a snack, but they're packed full of spinach, bananas, carrots, so you can really feel good about your kids having these any time of day. There's a little bit of sugar in the mask, but other than that, it's a really wholesome, nutritious snack.
Look how much we have left.
Yeah, all right.
Do you see how much we have left?
I see how much you have left. So what do you say, guys? What do you give these? Is it thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yay! Thumbs up.
10, I give it the 10.
Woohoo, 10. All right, so we're gonna finish decorating. We're gonna eat our muffins, and let us know when you try them. What did you think? Comment below. And don't forget, if you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Bye, everybody.